So welcome back on the third part of this tutorial. My name is still Bruno Flaven. So we've seen how to install a Streamlit application. Right here it's not working, but if I go back in the console and launch Streamlit, I will have my little application working. Okay. So, and by the way, you see that I'm working directly with my GitHub account. So everything that I've been changing so far need to be available on my GitHub account, and then I will decide to deploy it. So first of all, I can show you that I will open a second console. So I have this one with the application. I have this one where I'm still on my GitHub. So I have all the files required for my Streamlit application. I will remove, well, I can remove it like this because I don't need this one. We just see how to create it previously, but I don't use it anymore. I'm not using it anymore. So what I'm going to show you is that first, how can I impact all the change that I'm making on my application, on my GitHub account, sorry, on my source file, on my directory. So I think that's this part. So you see, I'm going to make the status, which means, so Git is installed here. I have made a Git in it, this one, because in the very first one, I've shown you how to install Git, and right here Git is installed, so I can type Git status and it will see all the modifications that I've made. Okay, so basically if I want to be sure that I can check the branch will be sent to this, you see, I think that's my branch, that's over there. So it's named branch, and it will erase and update all these elements. So I'm coming back on the Git, and what is the most interesting thing is that I can usually before I was using source tree, but it's not working anymore. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to make my first commit. So git branch we have made. So I had all the change that I've made with add, and then I just say update readme, and I will say and app.py, and then I would say you push from the origin to the main. Okay, clear. So basically I should see my changes right here. So I guess you see I was changing, I say hello YouTube right here. I've had this one. I'm going to remove it because it's useless. Okay. So, and that would be the next change. So I redo the same. I say just app because I did not update. See? And then I just push it. You see? So it has been changed main to main. So you know how to now to have an up-to-date version. It would be the same if I do some change on the README, for instance. Let's pretend I'm making a mistake. Had a mistake here. That will be delete. So you see, and I just comment it. So if I do a git status right here, git status, you see that the README has been modified, and I'm just, well, I can directly add and directly also push. You see, I think so. Not sure. Let me see if the change has been made. I don't think so. Okay, so I wanted to be sure. I think, no, I forget to put the commit. and then that will be update readme. So you see, I'm not so readme, update readme, and then I do the push right here. If I clear my console and I'm checking, I should have, yeah, I had a mistake here that would be deleted. So I'm deleting it right away just to show you that it's. So you have to, every time you're making some update, you need to make the commit on. You can wait, but right here, add, and then update, and then push. Here we go. And then if I check again, it would have disappeared. Okay, so that's a simple way you can use Git. So we've seen that we know how to update Git, and we're gonna now deploy on Heroku. Okay, so see you in a minute.